Hello everyone, in this video we will be learning how to inject the model into the service. So go to the source, user and services, and here we will start importing our stuff. So first import inject model from Mongoose, then import model from Mongoose, and then import user and user document from the schema that we created. So the schema should be available over here. So in previous video we created this as well as we registered this schema into the module in imports array. So after these two steps, what you have to do is you have to import it here, the user as well as user document. Okay, so now the injection begins. So for injection you have to use a constructor. So it uses inject model. So you have to use the constructor which uses inject model decorator, and in the inject model decorator this class would come. So you would say user.name, whatever the schema that you are creating, you have to put that name here and then use the name. So user.name or account.name or profile.name, whatever the schema that you are creating, this allows you to inject the schema to this variable. Okay, so the access modifier of this variable is private, which means that this variable is only accessible in this file and this file only. And from the type script, the type of this variable is model and user document. So this is the most important line which allows the dependency injection to take place so that the model that you have created is accessible in the user service file. I hope this was clear to you. So the next step is would be for us to create the user. Okay, so in order to do that, you can use const created user equal to new this dot user model, and in here you would pass whatever the variable is. So in our case, it would be something like name and sorry, email and password, something like this. So let me just show it to you. So the next step after that would be to return created user dot save. So this will allow the user to be saved successfully. Let it save for now and go to the terminal. Let the application restart. Okay, so this is pretty cool. Let's hit send request from the postman, and you can see that the response has been returned. So if you now open MongoDB Compass, like I have opened here, and you go to your database and users and hit find, then you will be able to find the document here. If you are unable to find this database, then I would suggest that you disconnect and then reconnect again. Then you would be able to find your database as well as this collection. So this was all about how you would perform perform the injection as well as how you would create the user. There is another way to create the user which we will discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching.